because it forms ice-like crystal when cooled. When aqueous acetic acid is cooled at 289 kelvins, acetic acid is stored in solidified form as like ice-like crystals. That water remains liquid state and removed by filtration. The process is called glacial acetic acids. Next come to chemical properties. First reaction with the metals. Reaction with the metals. The metals like sodium, magnesium, zinc, etc. Here only used sodium. Acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O OH react with sodium. That one hydrogen is eliminated impossible, so write 2 times. Now 2 hydrogen is possible, so 2 Na. Because sodium is the monovalent ions. Reaction means releasing of H2, remaining CH3 C double bond O Na 2 times. That is sodium acetate. Na is called sodium, remaining acetate, sodium acetate. Next, reaction with alkyls. That alkyl means sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Here sodium hydroxide only used. Sodium hydroxide means CH3 C double bond O OH. Acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide. What happened? That hydrogen and OH taken, so removal of water molecule, remaining CH3COO. You know the name sodium acetate. Next reaction with carbonate and bicarbonate. Carbonate or bicarbonate. This reaction for test for carboxylic acid. See the reaction. C6 CH3 C double bond O OH acetic acid. Carbonate used mainly sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. So 2 times will be present. So here write 2 times. That which one is released? Carbonate means easily released for carbon dioxide CO2, remaining CH3 C double bond O Na. That removal of hydrogens. Book is not given hydrogen, they got to added sodium acetate. How many times? 2 times. Next reaction with amine. Benzaldehyde C6H5 CHO. Amine example NH2C6H5. Name is called aniline. In the presence of acid plus heated, that removal of water molecules, remaining C6H5 CH double bond N C6H5 benzol aniline simply is called shift phase. In interstitial purpose minus H2O. Next, condensation with tertiary aromatic amine. Next, condensation with tertiary aromatic amine. Benzaldehyde, benzene ring, CHO plus tertiary aromatic amine. Two molecules taken. In the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, then minus H2O. In para position having 1 hydrogens, So releasing water molecules. Remaining benzene ring CH, double bond oxygen, so two bonds present. One bond, one tertiary amine. Another bond, another benzene ring tertiary amine. The name is called malachite green dye. Malachite green dye. Or another name 1, 2, 3. 3 means triphenyl. 3 benzene rings, so triphenyl. Methane. Methane formula CH4. So 3 hydrogens removed, 3 benzene rings. So methane and dye. Triphenyl methane dye. Next, electrophilic substitution reaction. First reaction, benzaldehyde react with first benzaldehyde react with nitration. Nitration means concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid taken. What happened? NO2 group only added. That all are is added in meta positions. NO2 plus H2O. Second reaction, sulfonations. Sulfonation means which one added? SO3H will be added. Concentrated sulfuric acid. Metaposition added SO3H plus H2O. Third one, chlorinations. Third one, chlorination. Concentrated ferric chloride with chlorine. Metaposition added Cl plus HCl. Next, chlorination also without catalyst. Chlorination also without no catalyst. With catalyst means concentrated ferric chloride, metachlorobenzaldehyde formed. Without catalyst means COCl plus HCl. Benzyl chloride obtained. Benzyl chloride obtained. That both reaction also important with catalyst or without catalyst. Next, acetophenone react with nitration. Acetophenone formula benzene ring COCH3. Nitration mixture means concentrated nitric acid with concentrated sulfuric acid. What happened? Releasing one water molecules that added NO2 group. In which position is added NO2 group means meta position only added a NO2 group plus H2O. Next, test for aldehyde. First test, tolerance reagent test. Tolerance reagent test means ammonia called silver nitrate solutions. Acetaldehyde react with ammonia called silver nitrate. This ammonia called silver nitrate that react with base also 3OH group. What happened means first released ammonia. How many ammonia? 2 2s are 4. So 4 ammonia will be released. Second, hydrogens. Here one hydrogens. Here 3 hydrogens. So second released here one hydrogens. Here 3 hydrogen. Totally 4. So 4 means 2 H2O released. 2 H2O. Remaining that one oxygen go to added here CH3 COO minus. Remaining silver only obtained. So 2Ag. To Ag. Ammonia called silver nitrate solution obtained for silver. So silver obtained means that the compound present aldehyde. This will be correct. Next, Felling solutions. The Felling solution prepared by mixture of equal amount of Felling solution A containing aqueous copper sulfate, Felling solution B containing aqueous solution of sodium potassium tartrate. Both are is added after that aldehyde used. That aldehyde formula CH3 CHO plus 2CO2 plus 5OH minus. First what happened? Releasing of water molecule. Here 5 hydrogens, here 1 hydrogen. So 5, 6 hydrogens. Releasing of 3 water molecule. Remaining 2 oxygen present. 1 oxygen go to here. Another 1 oxygen go to here. Formula CH3COO minus plus Cu2O. Copper reduced in copper oxides. Next, blended solution test. Mixture of CuSO4 plus sodium citrate. Sodium citrate NaOH. What happened? Cu2 plus converted to Cu2O. Same reaction obtained. CH3CHO plus 2Cu plus 5OH. First released water molecule. Here 5 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen, 6. 6 means 3H2O released. That remaining 2 oxygen, 1 oxygen go to copper, another oxygen go to aldehyde. CH3COO minus plus C2O. So Cu2 plus which color means blue color. That product completed means then color will be changed. That means red color. Test will be confirmed. Next, shift reagent test. Dilute solution of aldehyde when shift reagent. Roseline hydrochloric acid dissolved in water. Red color decolorized passing sulfur dioxide. That will be red colors. This is known as shift test of aldehyde. The ketone do not give this test. Acetone however give the positive test, but slowly will be appearance. Next, uses of aldehyde and ketone. First, formaldehyde. That IUP is named methanol. Formula HCHO or CH2O. First question, formalin. Formalin means important exam pattern. So, what is formalin means 40% of aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. Used preventing biological specimens. The red plant is used decomposed. The solution is used means decomposed. Formalin has an hardening effect. It is used for tanning industry. Formalin used for production of thermosetting plastic known as bakelite, obtained by phenol with formalin. Second is acetaldehyde. IUP is name ethanol. Formula CH3CHO. Molecular formula C2H4O. First is a silver of mirror that already used test tolerance reagent. Next, paraldehyde used medicine hypnotic. Paraldehyde, that one mark said very important. Acetaldehyde used commercial preparations of acetic acid, ethyl acetate, etc. Next, third is acetone. Acetone common name diethyl ketones. CH3CO CH3. IUP stem 3 carbon, so propanone. Acetone used as a solvent and manufacturing smokeless powders that correlate. Then next nail polish remover. Next preparations of sulfonol and hypnotic. Hypnotic already here also used. Here paraldehyde, here acetone. It is used in manufacturing of thermostatic plastic and perpex. Next benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is the powering agent of perfumes and dye intermediates, starting material synthesis of several organs, cinnamolate, cinnamic acid, and benzyl chloride. Chemical properties you got to listen. Next, aromatic ketone. Aromatic ketone means two ketone, acetophenone and benzophenone. Acetophenone perfumely and hypnotic and hypnone. That three hypnone is present. One paraldehyde, second acetone, third acetophenone. Don't confuse. Benzophenone perfume and benzyl drops. Drops also very. Next, carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid general formula COOH. In this functional group also having carbonyl group C double bond OH. So carboxylic group also containing carbonyl compounds. That 12.8 on table will be given. The number of acids will be given. Common name, IUPAC's name, how to is produced IUPAC's name. All are is studied in 11th standard also briefly. Again one more time in your book is given. So you have to read well. Preparations. The preparation from primary alcohol. From primary alcohol. Primary alcohol best example ethanol. Ethanol formula CH3 CH2OH. Ethanol oxidation used in acid plus potassium dichromate K2CO2O7 oxidation. That primary alcohol oxidation means aldehyde obtained CH3CHO. Aldehyde oxidation means acid obtained CH3COOH. Second preparation, hydrolysis of nitriles. Hydrolysis of nitrile. Nitrile means cyanide. IUPAC's name is called nitride. That is used methyl cyanide CH3C triple bond N. Hydrolysis used water molecule. Harmony means two in the presence of acid. Here breaking of bond. So right side added 3 hydrogens. Left side added OOH. Totally 4 hydrogen. Here 4 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen right side. That left side 1 hydrogen. Formula CH3COOH plus NH3. Third preparations. Acidic hydrolysis of esters. Ester formula CH3COOC2H5. What is the name? Ethyl acetate. C2H5 ethyl. CH3CO minus acetate. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate hydrolysis H2O in the presence of acid. What happen? Breaking of here HOH. Product CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. Next, fourth preparation from Grignard reagents. From Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent prepared from first carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the dry ice. C double bond O double bond O. Carbon dioxide simply is called what? Dry ice. Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. So catalyst will be ether. Catalyst will be ether. Carbonyl group attacked carbonyl carbons. So what happened? CH3 C double bond O Mg Br O Mg Br. Hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means here breaking CH3 COOH plus Mg Br OH. That here added H, here added OH. Next preparation as like similar only. Carbon dioxide react with before methyl magnesium bromide. Here phenyl magnesium bromide. CH3 replaced by C6H5 MgBr. Presence of catalyst ether. C6H5 C double bond O Mg Br. After acid hydrolysis H plus H2O. All were breaking, here added H, here added OH. Product C6H5 COOH. C6H5 COOH plus MgBrOH. Name is called benzoic acid. Previously acetic acid only prepared. Now benzoic acid will be prepared. Similarly, C6H5 C double bond O C double bond O C6Y. Benzic phenyl acetic hydrate. Hydrolysis means benzoic acid obtained. Next, oxidation of alkyl benzene, toluene. Here, say methyl group or ethyl group or propyl group, any alkyl group present means converted to acid only. That oxidation used catalyst KMnO4 potassium. Next, physical properties of carboxylic acid. Aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbons atom, colorless liquid and pungent colors, pungent odors. The higher numbers of are odorless, wax-like solids. Second, carboxylic acid higher melting, higher boiling point than aldehyde ketones. Even alcohols also comparable molecular masses due to the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Left side R C double bond O OH. Right side R C double bond O OH. So dot line showing for hydrogen bondings. That is intermolecular means the two molecules in between forming hydrogens bonding. So dot line is the hydrogen bonding. In fact, most of the carboxylic acid exists dimer in vapor phase. Lower aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 4 miscible in water due to the formation of hydrogen bond in water molecules. Higher carboxylic acid insoluble in water and due to increasing hydrophobic interactions of hydrocarbon bond. Simplest aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid insoluble in water. Vinegar 6 to 8 percentage acetic acid in water. Pure acetic acid called classical acetic acid because like crystal when cooled. Because it forms ice like crystal when cooled. When aqueous acetic acid is cooled at 289 Kelvins. Acetic acid is stored in solid phase form as like ice like crystals. That water remains liquid state and removed by filtration. The process is called glacial acetic acids. Next come to chemical properties. First reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. The metals like sodium, magnesium, zinc, etc. Here only used sodium. Acetic acid formula CH3 C double bond O OH react with sodium. That one hydrogen is eliminated impossible, so write 2 times. Now 2 hydrogen is possible, so 2 Na. Because sodium is the monovalent ions. Reaction means releasing of H2 remaining CH3 C double bond O Na 2 times. That is sodium acetate. Na is called sodium. Remaining acetate. Sodium acetate. Next reaction with alkyls. That alkyl means sodium hydroxide potassium hydroxide. Here sodium hydroxide only used. Sodium hydroxide means CH3 C double bond OH. Acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide. What happen? That hydrogen and OH taken. So removal of water molecule, remaining CH3COO. You know the name? Sodium acetate. Next, reaction with carbonate and bicarbonate. Carbonate or bicarbonate. This reaction for test for carboxylic acid. See the reaction. C6, CH3, C double bond O, OH, acetic acid. Carbonate used mainly sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. So 2 times will be present. So here write 2 times. That which one is released? Carbonate means easily released carbon dioxide, CO2. Remaining CH3, C double bond O, O, Na. That removal of hydrogens. Book is not given hydrogen. They got to added sodium acetate. How many times? 2 times.